Hey everybody, you're asking about my future of animal and things, and like asked me that question, and this is really hard to talk about because I've been planning this my childhood, and I've been having hates. People say you're not going to be able to do it and things. But, yeah, I want to tell y'all that don't listen to people. People say I'm weird and things. I'm already marked as the weirdest, and they're going to be talking about me, a ginger, already. And it's hate, but what I hate is people saying that I won't be able to finish things in my life. Like, I won't be able to finish a task or be able to do anything, but don't listen to that. I don't listen to that. Well, sometimes I do when I was younger, but I learned from my mom that don't listen to people. Just do what you want to do. People's been judging me about saying my mom needs to put my brother regular school instead of doing homeschool, and I don't want to listen to that. Those people that's saying that. So, don't listen to people. So, I just want to let y'all know, do what y'all want to do. Don't do what people tell you to do. So, if you don't listen to them, you will have a happier life. So, listen to what you want to do. What your decision. Not anybody else's. It's your decision. So, I just want y'all to know that, and, yeah.